Hi, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a custom menu in WordPress. If you're tired of the same old boring menu on your website and you want to make it stand out, this is the tutorial for you. Now, creating a custom menu in WordPress is pretty easy, and it only takes a few steps. So first, we're going to need to log into our WordPress dashboard. From here, we're going to go to Appearance, Menus, and here we have a menu. Now you can see I already have a menu set up here, but if you want to create a new menu, you click right here, Create a New Menu. Now we're going to need to give that a custom name, so let's just call it Custom Menu. If you want to make this your primary menu, footer menu, you can do different things. Some of these selections will depend upon the theme that you use, but we're just going to go ahead and just name this the primary menu for now, and we're going to click Create Menu. Now the menu is going to be blank, so we're going to need to add some things to it. So here you see a list of recent pages, and if you click here, you'll see a list of all of the pages. And if you have a lot of pages, you might want to do a search to find specific pages. Now you can add blog posts, and you can add custom links, like maybe a link to an affiliate site or something off-site. You can do that here. You can also link to categories, like if you got a blog going, it would show the blog categories here, so you can link to those. We're just going to stick with the pages and try to keep this simple, and we're going to select these pages and add to the menu. Now that we've got them all in the menu, we can rearrange them in any fashion that we want. So, for example, maybe under About, we could put the terms and the privacy policy. And if services are important and products to us, then we could put those up there closer to the home page, because it's going to go left to right. Home, services, product. That's how it'll show on a menu. Then maybe we do a gallery. Then the blog, about, contact us. You could even put the frequently asked questions under contact or about. So these are going to be drop downs. These three would be a drop down of the about. So that's how you do that. Now I will make a couple of suggestions here that should help improve your SEO a little bit and make it easier, especially with people who have accessibility issues. You'll want to make sure up here that under screen options that you have similar things checked. Link target, title attribute, things like that. That allows you to put in here the title of the page. So we could say, if it was, for example, this is called the base site, so base site. But it could be like the name of your company, whatever the name of your website. So my company name, my website name, whatever is applicable. Under services, you could name it so if you're a website design company, that products, you could name it like wholesale product, whatever applies. So you get the idea. Now every one of these should have that name. So it should be my blog or website design blog, something like that. Everyone should have that name. even privacy policy, all of them. Make sure you include that. And then once we're done, you're just going to, down here, you're going to select Save Menu, and you're going to save that menu. Now, once you do that in your website, you're going to see that we have our new menu. And there you go. So we're just going to go back to the menus. And as I said, now we see our menu. So it's that simple. Now there is one other way to do this. So you could go into the customizer. So the theme customizer does allow you to edit the menu. So if you go in there and you go to menus, you can create a new menu here. Now there is one advantage to that, and that is that when you create the menu here, you can see, as you create the menu, you can see everything here. So it'll help you organize the menu a little better. So where you do it is up to you, but just make sure you have a good menu with the top level pages. Don't get too carried away. You don't want too many links, because Google will lose focus of what your website is about, and you'll give your visitors too many options. You kind of want to focus them in on what you're doing. So that's it. We've just created a menu on your website. You can customize it further. There are options depending on your theme and depending on your knowledge of CSS, that you can do more things, like I showed you just a second ago on the home page here. You see these hover effects and stuff. Some of that is included with themes, but some of it is a result of using CSS. So cascading style sheets, which you can do within your theme customizer. You can create a child theme and do it that way. Lots of different ways to do it, but it can give you these additional hover effects and different things. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips, tricks, and how to make the most of your WordPress website. Until next time, happy WordPress website building.